There you go. Oh, they're looking something suspicious. Oh, the eagle, I guess, right there. That's why he looking in the clouds. Come on, bird. Come on, bird. Here. Come on. Good job. Good job. Hi, princess. Hi, Cloudy. Princess, you want more? There you go. Sunflower, they like it. Here, here, here. Here. Good job, princess. Come on, buddy, come on. I just take them out today for fresh air, but they feel a little cold, I guess. Come on, princess, come on. That's your breakfast, come on. Good job. Come on, Cloudy. Cloudy, come on. Come on, buddy, come on. Let's go, let's go. Come on, buddy. Good job. No? Come on, it's breakfast time. He loved this leather. Cage is open, don't fly. Go inside, go inside. Go inside, buddy, go inside. He's not gonna fly. He loves hair. His whole wings is ready to fly, but he's not gonna fly. Come down. Good job. Good job, bud. Good job. Good job. Okay, bye guys. Please follow my channel and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good one for next video.